Okay, 40 says, which of the following is not a proper interpretation or use of the definite integral? So this is one of those ones that you sort of either know or you don't, and you might be able to do process of elimination for these. So when I first looked at this, I'll admit that mass and density, this is not my forte, so I skipped over it and I thought about the others. So distance is the definite integral of acceleration. Right there I knew that was not true because I knew that distance is the definite integral of velocity. So I was done, luckily. But let's just look at the others. Volume is the definite integral of cross-sectional area. That's certainly true, right? When you integrate a bunch of slices that are all the areas of those slices, when you stack them all together, you do get a volume, so that's true. And area certainly is the definite integral of cross-sectional length, right? If you add up a bunch of, think about them as rectangles with zero width, those are basically just lengths, right? If you add up an infinite number of these lengths, it adds up and fills in, and it's an area. Don't mind my daughter in the background. So C and D are true. We know B is not true, but it is also true that mass is the definite integral of density. So after not knowing this when I first did the problem, I did look that up. And so if you're given some density function, rho, if you integrate it across some interval, so imagine you have some rod is the usual thing. So you have some rod of some variable density, and you integrate across its length. That tells you how much stuff is in the mass of that rod. So that is also true. So part B is the correct choice.